And I know I talk to people a lot about sports because sports is the easiest connection for me to make. You know, my academic background, yeah, that stuff it helps. I won't lie about that or minimize that. Having a father, and I see you, Richard, having a father who was military helped. Having a mother who was in the military uh, helped. Having a brother who's a professor helped. Having a brother, I see you, Rich. Having a brother who they tried to claim was what do you call it, Dele? Because he had a speech impediment. My parents didn't accept that. He overcame the speech impediment. Now he's a doctor, a very much tenured professor at North Carolina A&T. These things all help build me. Going to the military myself helped. Coming out of the military, working in education in the school system helped. Going to college helped. Becoming a union steward for the Teamsters helped a lot because it got me ready for adversarial relationships. So there's background to it. So I want to make sure I don't put it out there and make it seem like it's I definitely don't want anybody to believe it's easy. I won't say it's overly hard because it could be condescending, but I will not leave this part of the conversation without saying I had a lot of damn sleepless nights, especially when I was looking at jail time for those driving out license cases. Every one of those cases that y'all see me in or on here or on the audios, I was looking at jail time. In fact, Rick is listening to him. He'll tell you one of them they were offering like 90 days in jail. I laughed at the lady, but that was for real. Rich, what's going on? You have a question? Uh-oh.
What's going on? How y'all doing?
Hey, you know, I hate the world, but other than that, I'm all right. What's going on? I'm definitely not feeling good. If you want to be honest, I don't understand the Anthony Davis trade. But go ahead, man.
I'm over here in Georgia in 11th Circuit, and
Okay.
I'm in a unique. I've been watching you chiming in every now and then. I'm in a unique situation. So why I say that is, of course, I brought up my issues in the state court. Two issues. One issue was one of the child support agents. They actually fraudulent one of my jurisdictional documents and thought I wasn't gonna catch on to it. So that kind of like started the case. And the other agent, she did some other stuff with paperwork, and I filed a lawsuit on both of them in the state case. Due process, 14th Amendment. And what happened was the attorney general removed the case and moved it to the 11th Circuit Court down here in Noonan, Georgia. So that's where I'm at now. And what kind of helped me out a lot, why I know the judge is engaging with my case.
So Georgia, you mean the Georgia 11th Circuit Court of the Georgia 11th Circuit Court of Appeals?
Well, I'm sorry, the federal court in the 11th Circuit. I'm sorry,
Okay, so
in the 11th Circuit
you're
in
the
Georgia.
you're the same place I am. You've already filed in the federal court. In the federal court, something happened in the federal court, and now you're at the Court of Appeals.
Okay, so that's what the unique part is. So I was in the state court, but because of the constitutional issue that I brought up, the attorney general removed the case to the federal court. So I didn't even file. He removed it to the federal court.
Only a defendant can remove a case. That's not legal advice, but only a defendant can remove a case.